Hi, it's Nadine, and welcome to my series called Postcards from the Kingdom. And this one starts in Abha. We have a very chill itinerary for this trip. We will first go to the Rijal Alma. It's outside Abha and near the mountains of Asir province. Not feeling well. Rijal Alma is located 50 kilometers from Abha. Yung trip papunta doon ay aabutin ng 1.5 hour. And as you can see, the road is very steep and full of sharp bends. Nasa Rijal Alma na po kami. The first site to visit in Abha. Medyo mainit lang. But temperature is good actually. Unlike any other Saudi cities. Mas malamig talagang Abha kasi it's more than 2,000 meters above sea level. That's why kahit summer, madami pa nagpupunta for Abha. Alam nyo ba na ang village is around 900 years old and known for its unique stone and clay architecture? Ano sila mga restaurants? Ano sila market dito? May mga markets din sila dito. Restaurants. Yang daanan na yan ang dinaanan namin kaya nagkanda hilo-hilo na ang mga person sa loob ng sasakyan. Full of twist.
Wait lang tanay.
Ay, sorry.
Kuan mo da.
Ikaw na mag...
Da, kuan kita.
Okay, brother. Let's go. Bye-bye. You can watch but you cannot feed any baboons kasi hahabol at hahabol daw sila sa inyo. Next stop is the Honey Cottage. Itong Honey Cottage na to showcases the beekeeping culture in Asir region. Ten minutes away from Rijal Alma. Pero need talaga ng sasakyan. Very windy, pero mainit. May other tourist. entrance siya, 10. So as you can see, it started from being a family home hanggang naging local tourist attraction na. Ang lingkuran dito. They offer honey tasting also with different types of honey with distinct smell, type, and even density. Cottage, honey cottage nila. You can sit and rest. Kaya nga, pataas. Pataod. Aon din sila, ayan, pagbibihan, mall, mga biyano, ud. Girls, bigyan na may sab. Hi, City. Ano sila mga games? Wood. Then for beauty. We're in Abha High City. High City is one of the accessible highest point in the city as it perched 2,200 to 2,400 meters above sea level. May mga cafe, restaurants, and other walkways din wherein you can rest and relax while enjoying the panoramic view of the Abha city.
Last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. And this elastic flow, each second's precious true.
Now it's getting really windy. Hanap food. For food. Pwede din nagbaba, bangka babaya. It's night. Dinner. Ano yung dinner? Nasa diet.
Wala morning, gabi.
Amo rin morning na prutas.
Ako ini,
This labne with honey and pork cheese. Di akuan. Passion fruit. Nanginginig na po ang mga persons. Namig. Going home na. Ang lamig-lamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Malamig. Abha really surprised me. From the mountains, the valleys, and even the village tucked in everywhere. It's unlike anywhere else I've ever seen. No wonder they call this the roof of Arabia. Thank you for coming along on the first postcard. I can't wait to show you more of the kingdom in the next episode. Bye!